Swing.
Uptown.
Level.
2. Mixing 6 and 8 with Peter and Naomi. We did Frankie's 8s.
Go a little something like this. Boop. We kept it turning.
Another double.
We get here.
Stick your arm out.
A little promenade, walkie
And
turn.
then 1, 3,
We kept
over the
it turning.
head. And head. So we really worked on the frame tonight, followers. No lifting. And followers, even when you were like pretty good about not lifting up, then it just stayed up magically and we looked at each other at the end. Remember, it's got to be able to come back down. So I am holding on to my partner, but I'm not lifting my arm up.
And really, every follower I got to try with, we did a good job not lifting it. And then when I went, it was either slack or they turned way too fast. It has to have some tension here. You got to work a little bit. This goes first, this goes second, but they are connected. And just because they're connected there doesn't mean they don't automatically come down later. We kept turning and everyone would come around, uppercutting me in the hand and looking at me with a question mark. And I'd say, why are we here? And then, oh no, we found out. So if you can get this and it comes down naturally, that's the idea. We tried this move and it's kind of evidence of whether that's working or not.
At the waist.
And if you get that chill feeling, followers, and you turn up the energy in your body and relax the arms. Leaders, same thing, turn up the energy in the body and relax up top. If we both just stay a little more in time, what we found is the followers felt a little bit later, but always on time, never missing anything, no gaps. And the followers got easier to move. And the leaders magically got clearer. So good work tonight. We're going to do some more next time.
Hooray.